If you already added selections to templates for use with legacy selections, you can now quickly convert them to selection templates to use with the new and improved selections. Start by heading to your catalog, and then we'll click on the Cost Groups tab. Now here you'll see all of your budget templates listed. Now open the one that has selections saved within it. Okay, here we'll click the Export button and then choose Convert to Selection Template. Within this pop-up, enter a name for the new selection template. Now, each of the selections listed are individual selection groups or write-in items that will be converted over to selections in the new template. Quick note, if you have multiple tiered selections in your original budget template, then the lowest group level will be created as a selection here. We can change the name of each selection and enter the area that we'd like to assign them to. The associated area will be created in the new selection template. You'll see that when we add an area here, it will now be available in a drop-down menu for the next selections to make it nice and easy for you. Perfect. Go ahead and click Create. Now when we navigate to the selection templates, we can locate our converted template and see that our selections were created within their respective areas. Now at this point, we can head over to a job and then click on the Selections tab and easily import the selection template. Just a quick reminder, if your Selections tab doesn't look like mine right now, don't worry, you're probably viewing legacy selections. So you can click Edit Job on the top and toggle off Use Legacy Selections. If you have any questions, please contact your success manager or email support@jobtread.com. Thanks!